Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the ultimate place where pencils transform into power, colors turn into energy, and heroes come alive one line at a time. Today, we are diving into the world of the mighty Optimus Prime, the fearless leader of the Autobots who fights for justice, freedom, and peace across the galaxy. In this video, we'll start by drawing the iconic Optimus Prime mask, then bring the full robot and his powerful truck form to life with strong, detailed lines and bold coloring. So get ready with your markers and imagination, because today, our drawing will roll out into action, just like the real Transformers hero himself. We begin by sketching the sharp outline of Optimus Prime's mask, starting from the top of the helmet with its strong metal curves and futuristic shape. Next, we draw the narrow eyes beneath the visor, giving them a confident look that shows the courage and strength of a true leader. We then add the vents, bolts, and armor lines across his faceplate, giving texture and power to his metallic design. Finally, we define the side panels and central crust, making the mask look like it's glowing with Autobot energy, ready to protect Earth and its people. We begin coloring the mask by filling in the upper areas with deep dark blue, giving it a bold and heroic tone. Next, we blend in the red highlights across the edges and lines, adding power and warmth that represent Optimus's bravery. The light blue sections are carefully filled and last, glowing like shining metal illuminated by light, showing his futuristic design. Together, these colors make the mask look strong, metallic, and alive, just like the real face of the Autobots' fearless leader. Now we move on to Optimus Prime himself, drawing his tall, strong body with layered armor plates, powerful shoulders, and his signature battle stance. Beside him, we sketch the mighty truck form, with wide tires, headlights, and smooth metal lines that show where the robot transforms. We outline his arms holding the blaster, his chest made from the front of the truck, and the small details that make him look mechanical yet full of life. Together, the robot and truck create the perfect combination of strength and technology, capturing the true essence of a transformer in motion. We start coloring Optimus Prime and his truck by adding a bright light blue across the metallic armor plates, giving him a cool and futuristic glow. Next, we fill in the red sections, the chest, arms, and truck front, to show his power, passion, and unbreakable heroic spirit. Then we complete his design with dark blue shades around the legs, wheels, and helmet, creating depth and contrast that bring him fully to life. When all the colors come together, Optimus Prime and his truck shine like a living machine, strong, bold, and ready to roll out into action. And that wraps up today's epic adventure here on Zona Tunes. where Optimus Prime transformed from sketches and colors into a symbol of courage and strength. From his glowing mask to his powerful robot stance and massive truck form, every detail captured the true spirit of the Transformers universe. The mix of dark blue, red, and light blue filled the page with energy, action, and a spark of heroism that makes every line feel alive. Don't forget to join us again on Kiddo Adventure Zone for more powerful drawing and coloring adventures with your favorite heroes and machines that roll out in style.